Hello everyone, today we're going to do a really quick video on skewness and the mean, median, and mode. There are basically three types that we're going to look at as far as skewness goes, and that's symmetric, right-tailed, and left-tailed. So if you have something that's symmetric, that typically means that the mean is the mode is the median if it's unimodal. So they're all roughly the same. If I looked at a frequency table, or a histogram rather, it would look something like this. So if I took my picture and I cut it down the middle, it would be symmetric. If I folded it along that line, they would match. The mean, the median, and the mode are all relatively 4. Another type is called left-skewed or sometimes left-tailed. And this is what happens if the mean is less than the median, and the mode is typically the larger of the three. So a histogram or a frequency table would look something like this. So over here we have our mode. Our median would be somewhere smaller than that, maybe around the 5 or so. And then the mean would be smaller because these values over here are bringing the mean down. So the mean might be somewhere over here, or over here. So the mean is the smallest on left-skewed or left-tailed, and the median is typically in the middle, and the mode is typically the larger of the three. Now it's called left-skewed or left-tailed because there's this extra amount over here on the left. So a lot of people want to call this a right-tailed because most of the data is on the right, but remember the tail of the function, the little bit that's left that's dragging behind, is on the left. So that's why this is left-skewed or left-tailed. And the last one is right-skewed or right-tailed. So this happens if the mean is bigger than the median, and then typically the mode is the smallest of the three. So in our picture, again, we have a tail. If I consider this to be some type of animal, this would be the tail, and it's on the right-hand side. So this is right-tailed. And the mode is usually the smallest of the three. In this case, the mode is the 2. The mean is bigger than the median because of the outlier. So these 6s and 7s are bringing the mean up. So the mean might be somewhere over here, and the median is somewhere in the middle. So the median could be somewhere over here. Okay, so again, it's right-skewed, right-tailed because the extra bit is on the right. And again, these are typically the three that we're going to look at. Things that are symmetric, things that are left-skewed, things that are right-skewed. Not every data is one of those three things. You could have something that looks really crazy. If I looked at a frequency table, it might look something like this. That's not really anything. It's almost trimodal with the 3 peaks, but it's not really symmetric. Nothing's really happening there. There's no skewness to it. So they don't have to be one of these three things. But these three are the ones that we'll see the most. Again, symmetric, left-skewed, right-skewed. And we're going to be using things that are called left-tailed and right-tailed when we start talking about hypothesis testing. So we're going to see this come up again. Okay, so just, again, this is a very short, quick little introduction to the three types. Okay, so let me know if you have any questions.